In today's video, I'll show you how to set up Pipedrive CRM in just a few minutes so you can start managing your sales pipeline right away. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Pipedrive CRM. Open the official website and click the option to try it for free. You can sign up using your email address or continue with your Google account. After choosing your sign up method, create a strong password and verify your email using the link sent to your inbox. Once verified, Pipedrive will guide you through a quick onboarding process. Enter your name, role, and answer a few basic questions about how you plan to use the CRM. This helps customize the dashboard to fit your sales workflow. Next, add your company details such as business name, size, and industry. After onboarding, you land on the main dashboard. Go to the Deals section to view your sales pipeline. Here, you can customize pipeline stages to match your sales process, like lead qualified, contact made, proposal sent, or deal won. You can also add custom fields if you need to track specific information for your business. If you already have contacts or deals saved in a spreadsheet, you can import them directly into Pipedrive to save time. That's it. Your Pipedrive CRM is now fully set up and ready to use. You can start tracking deals, managing leads, and organizing your sales process immediately.